look at that. So I finally have my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra set up and everything. I just transferred all the files over from my prior phone and organized my screen a little bit. I love how large the screen is and how bright and crisp it is. Considering I have upgraded from a Samsung Galaxy S10 to this is like going from like the Stone Age to cyberpunk future. But I finally have it in my case. It's an OtterBox case. It was really hard to get in. I had a hell of a time, but I got it in. The cameras are really nice. There are at least 4 different cameras with different specifications. I'm going to be demonstrating for you the selfie camera because I'm going to be using this for vlogging. But my favorite feature on this phone is actually the S Pen, which once you take it out of the bottom here, because it like goes right in this port, it brings up a list thing. I've kept mine down here, but you can click on it. It brings up like this little interface where you can like create a note, smart select, screen write, translate, magnify, all sorts of other features are on it. I love the create note feature because I'm going to use this to write stuff all the time. Like is that not beautiful? Like look at the, oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, ignore, I literally have dust in my screen protector. So yay, gotta fix that. But I absolutely love this, and I am not the type of person that usually gets the newest version of mobile devices, so this is very new for me, but ultimately I think that it's going to really allow me to utilize my mobile device a lot more effectively. And also, it's going to up my vlogging capability as well with the quality that I'm going to probably have, that I'm anticipating. This is a test of my camera, my selfie camera on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And oh my gosh, does it look crisp. I am operating right now at 60 FPS. So that's probably why it looks a lot more crisp. You can see that I need to do my eyebrows. That's... I am so excited. I even used my S Pen to click record. I just pushed a little button on the S Pen and it recorded. So I'm nerding out. This is going to be so fun. I'm not a technical blogger. If I were, I would go through like all of the camera specs and I would show you all the other photos and stuff like that. But I just wanted to give you like an example of the absolute clarity that I'm seeing here and the fact that it focuses so nicely. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. But anyway, share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, here I tried to turn it off and I realized that I could just click this.